I welcome all of you to Ravenshaw University. I am just sitting in this ground. I am going to discuss the history of Ravenshaw University. Actually, there was no such college in Odisha in 18th century. And this university, or you can say the first college of Odisha, was established in 1868. There are so many personalities associated with this university. They are Maharaja Krishna Chandra Dev, you can say Thomas Edward Ravenshaw, and many more. The most important thing is that this university is the political and social economic hub of Odisha. It is the oldest college of Odisha and one of the oldest college in India. It has great reputation. What are those reputation? I am going to discuss in brief. The first thing is that Ravenshaw University was the hallmark of political things, political issues, or you can say the first assembly of Odisha. And after that, it was shifted to Bhubaneswar, the present day assembly hall. Second thing is that this Ravenshaw University has the largest library in Odisha. And Ravenshaw was a great personality in 18th century, and under his name, this university, this college is named after. Or you can say it was established in 1868 in the month of January, and later it became a degree college. That means after 8 years, you can say 1876. In 1876, it became a full-fledged degree college. And after so many years, hundreds of years, in 2006, Ravenshaw University Act was established, and as a result, this beautiful college, the oldest college, became university. And you will find number of departments. You can find the science departments, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, humanitarian subjects like your political science, history, economics, and many more. And the student strength in the beginning 1868, it was only 6 students. Now it is having more than 6,000 students. And for your kind information, I will say this university carries a red color building. You can see this. Just see Ravenshaw University. It is carrying a red color, which is, I think, visible to many people, and it is the symbol of Odisha culture, symbol of political nature of Odisha, the spirit of Odisha, the dignity of Odisha, the maturity of Odisha, and what not. The culture of Odisha and the educational system entirely depending upon this university. And many students, they are very happy to know that it became a great university in 2006. Another thing I will tell, that this university faced lots of challenges. In the beginning, in 1866, actually one great famine, or you can say drought-like situation happened in Odisha. And as a result, Ravenshaw decided, who approached also Bengal government, that we should have a college or degree college for Odisha students or Bengal students. And that demand was accepted by Bengal government, and Bengal government assured that okay, we will collect 30,000 or lump sum amount 30,000, and public donations will be accepted to fulfill this desire or educational desire of Odisha people. And this university, or at that time the college, was affiliated to many universities. First one is, it was affiliated to Patna University, Bihar, Odisha, Bihar, and second is your Calcutta University, and lastly it became part and parcel of Utkal University in 1943. And in 2006, finally Ravenshaw University, what we see, what we experience today, became great university, and it has name and fame in every part of India and around the globe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.